I'm going to show you how to trade live cattle. So the great thing about these rules are that they can be used to trade anything. We've traded crypto, we've traded currencies, and now we're going to be trading a commodity, live cattle. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter to me what the ticker symbol is. What matters to me is the trend, and that's something that I really want to drive home. So coming back here into the end of December, we started noticing that we were getting this big uptick in live cattle futures. It's the exact same thing, guys. Look for an engulfing candlestick and let it run up. Your exit is not, you are still in this stock. You are still in this stock long term until March 15th, March 14th. You would have caught this run up. It would have been a little painful for you in here, but you would have made money because this was your entry point. And that is one way that you could have traded this long term. Now, coming over to short term, if you want to do the swing stuff and you want to do the more day to day, just follow these trends. You notice that we got a massive influx of selling in here for whatever reason. Maybe it was inflation, but you had really nice engulfing candlesticks coming down. Yes, they had resistance points that they had to break through of these major moving averages, but it was still able to force its way down. Why? Because it had so much volume coming in. Right now, I'm noticing that we're in a beautiful uptrend, but right now it's looking pretty good. It's at $143 right now. If we could just keep making these engulfing candlesticks up, you're going to have something to look for in live cattle. One of the great things about this is it's kind of seasonal too. Depending on your crop, depending on whether you're looking at corn or if we're looking at cattle, you can go in and say, okay, last year in the summer, let's look and see what we did overall throughout the summer. We had a pretty nice run up in the summer, and this was the fall, and that's when we started to make our little bit of a downturn. Now we're coming up into the spring, into the summer, and we're starting to get that uptick again. So guys, the point of me telling you this is whether you're trading commodities of like corn or oil or flour or what have you, there are seasonal times that you can go and trade this. Use that to your advantage. Use news-driven events and seasonal-driven events to your advantage and go make money on this.